All right, it is 2:11. I am with two officers. I choose not to identify because they've been very kind to me. I have identified that the West Orange Police Department has engaged in the endangerment of a minor, and in particular, certain actions relevant to the eviction and disorderly persons offense, section 2C:3311.1, which further is reinforced by the Attorney General Law Enforcement Directive number 2021-2, sent out by Gruel S. Gruel, Attorney General for the state of New Jersey. At this time, what is the reason why I can't file a criminal complaint against?
When it comes to the case of that Thursday, the eviction that you came to talk about, due to the fact that the case did not involve you and it involved another family, and due to the fact that you're not their lawyer and you're not their representative at this time, we unfortunately cannot give you confidentiality information on that case.
No problem.
When it comes to the information for the child that you have in question, that you have questions about trying to get child services involved, we are going to provide you with the phone number to
So rather than
them directly.
contacting child services on my behalf, once I've identified that the safety of a minor is involved, you're giving me a piece of a phone number, because what you're doing is you're listening to orders that have directed you to ignore the safety of the minor.
So unfortunately, since this minor is not your minor,
Correct. That is
we
correct.
are just
Correct.
graciously giving you the
No,
information.
please, I'll take that right now, and I'm going to graciously let you know that this video will be shown at the town council meeting for anyone who thinks that the police department is actually interested in the safety of minors, because clearly what we have here is a situation where we will direct and misdirect and ignore the reality. Are you aware about Richard Trank, is the attorney for the
We're
town?
not going to answer those questions, sir.
Okay, that's fine. That's not a problem. Are you aware that I am here for to demand you to charge a human being with criminal action in direct violation of a criminal code? Are you aware that I'm here to file a police report on behalf of myself, who is the homeowner? And I also am the person who graciously assisted this human being with a home. Are you aware that I am more directly involved in anything? I am representing myself pro se in bankruptcy, so I do not need a lawyer. So as per law, I am allowed to be here and identify not only criminal conduct, but I also have to identify the West Orange Police being notified a second time that not only has there been a criminal matter that has occurred, they've been notified to not respond? Is that what it is?
So this is what it is, sir.
Yeah.
You came to us talking about the child
That's right.
Child endangerment.
Child endangerment, yeah. And the victim is scared right now. So I want you to understand. So no, you don't, because you would have called child services and said, "Hey, we are contacting on behalf of a minor." But rather than doing that, what you have said to me is, "Sorry, I can't even do that." So am I allowed to fill out a police report so I could document?
So unfortunately, there's no police report on your case.
Why is there no police report on my case?
Because you are not the child's parent.
No. I'm the owner of the home. I'm the homeowner. My rights were violated.
Yes. So
I'm the homeowner.
Okay.
I'm the one that extended the lease agreement and the ability for this human being to have a safe environment, and I'm the one that's violated. Why am I not allowed to fill out a police report?
So when we first came outside,
Right.
you did state that you came here today,
Yeah.
just to focus on the child at
Well, listen, with all due respect, once a child's safety is ignored, then we go into the second matter, and the second matter is...
So now we're
All right, so let's
on